Hello, Maurieo. In this video, I'm going to examine some data that we collected with the GPS for my engineering surveying class. So let's start having a look at what the story is here. So we went out on the 1st of September and did some GPS observations with regards to the Zealandia project that we're working on, and we collected that data with the GPS. And what I've done is I've gone into the data recorder and I've processed the data in the data recorder. I've downloaded it. I've downloaded it into two specific things. One is a CSV file, and the other one is an HTML file. And I downloaded that data using the USB connection on the data recorder, and I downloaded it to a USB flash drive, and then from that flash drive I have downloaded it into a folder with my Zealandia project, and I've downloaded it into a folder here, and you can see I've labeled it 160801. I'll just make that a little bigger at this stage. So here it is. This is just in File Explorer, and you can see hopefully that it's going to be 160801 here and 160801 here. You'll notice in here that there's other data, and we will be using this data at some point, but this is data that I have collected previously with other classes, some of it in 2015 particularly. I don't know why this particular file here is 2005. I think that's just an anomaly. So first lot of data I'm going to look at is this HTM or HTM format data, and this is in the form of the New Zealand Field Book Report. This is a format where I'm able to export the data out of the data recorder in this form, and this uses what we call a style sheet, and this records the information. This is one I like to use, where it records the information as a bearing and distance from the base, the GPS base. So just looking at the data and what we did, we can see here, first of all, this is our GPS setup for our base, where we set up at IBMM, and you can see here, this is where we checked our height of instrument here, and it's recorded as a note, and there's our height of instrument that we recorded there. Then we can see here that these are the observations that we did. And by the way, we missed one of our marks as well, which we'll have to go back. So this is giving us here, and we've called them IDBB, when in fact it should be, we should be calling the marks by what they are. So they might be iron bolt or iron dog. So that should be iron dog, iron dog. They're not all iron dogs. Some of them are iron bars and some of them are iron bolts, but we'll get that sorted out as time goes on. And so these are our observations. Here's the antenna heights that we recorded down through here. Here's a little note that we recorded on the one here, that's this one here, or usually the one above, IBSC, which is down 0.2, and that's the little the one that the existing mark there. So here it all is. Here, this is all our data recorded. These are bearings and distances from IBMM, and these here are the actual coordinates of the point. Now there is also another file that I've recorded, and that other file is this one here, which is the CSV file, and this is just the coordinates of all the marks that we visited, just recorded here in an Excel spreadsheet actually. So I could just make that make that into 3 decimal places. like so. So they're all in 3 decimal places. Northing, easting, and our code. So yeah, that's just a bit of a thing there with the data. And then once we've got that data, I'll perhaps show you how we could load that data into 12D and make some use for it. So I will be posting the copies of this data on the Moodle site for you to look at, but just so that you know what the data is and what it looks like. So at this point here, we'll just come back, and I'll just leave it there so you know what that data is, and we can start working with that in class when next time we meet. So cheers, see you.